Would be hearing the dosa batter being poured to the pan to get prepared. So I'm waiting for some hot dosas. But this is so good.
But it's just the fact that if all of them can contribute 1 rupee to it, it would buy a PlayStation very soon. You can contribute whatever you want, so I can start streaming or be playing PlayStation.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is yet another vlog of me exploring some of the local foods of Bangalore. And today I am in the outskirts of Bangalore, of course. You can see the field behind me. Traveled way too long to reach this place. So I am really excited to take you to this place and show you a lot around here. Today is the launch day of this place and I am at Koteshwaram, Bangalore. Let's see what new in this place will excite you all to travel away from Bangalore and come and savor their food. And now I'm just sitting at the backyard out there. They've spread a long buffet kind of system in the backyard. So I'm just waiting to dive in and show you what all I eat and how good this place is. So we are starting with the masala dosa, for which I waited in 3 queues. How's it, Rahul?
Nice. Very tasty.
Oh my god. This is ghee dip. This is absolutely ghee dip. So what I can say about this dosa is, I feel the batter is dipped in ghee. I mean, how can something be so ghee-ish? I don't know, what do you say? This is very yummy. Single bite could make me feel it. Wow. So,
Now you understand why there was a huge queue.
yeah.
I mean,
So
this
there
is
are
good dosa.
repeaters for dosa, just going again, back again, back in time to get the dosa.
Premium dosa.
Very good. How does the batter taste?
It's very different from what you have at Rameshram Cafe, or let's say India, CTR. The other day we had from another cafe also, right?
What do you think is a speciality?
It's very fresh. The batter is very fresh. And it's very balanced in terms of the flavor of dosa. Because the aloo is like hot level aloo.
Oh yeah, I love the aloo. I mean, it's very mashed and like a very smooth texture. Eat along with the dosa.
The chutney is also very good.
I think what I like the most in the chutneys is that both of them are very creamy in texture.
Yep.
One. Second, they're not spicy. It's very edible to even eat it normally.
Other times this red chutney is very spicy.
Yeah,
This is like a perfect balance of spice and how bitter it is.
Yeah. And then without a good chutney, dosa also doesn't taste good.
Yeah, that's it.
Anyway, the best perfect combination.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
quality of chutney says a lot about how good the restaurant is.
Oh, right.
Absolutely.
One eternity later.
This is the baby corn Manchurian. You want chili or Manchurian?
Manchurian.
The coating is very good. I like it. I mean, it gives a perfect Manchurian flavor without making your stomach upset and having a bad shit in the morning. And so
I mean,
this gives a healthy vibes.
It doesn't have that overpowered taste of baby corn, which spoils baby corn foods most of the time, because people don't eat baby corn because there's a raw taste of baby corn, but this is well cooked. And yeah, it's a proper Manchurian. It's tasty. Good food.
What are we having? Hara bhara
Hara
kebab.
bara kebab. Wow.
I think I didn't like this a lot.
Fresh.
What did you like about this? I didn't like this a lot.
I like it's fresh. I think it could have been a bit more.
Flavorful,
Yeah.
right? It's a little bland on the side.
That's fine. I mean, I have no problem with that, but it's just that I think the best thing about it is very fresh. I mean, you order hara bhara kebab and
Also,
you get this cooked one which is like,
also
I don't like
like
that.
one thing here is fried in the perfect way. I mean, it's not burnt, it's not overcooked, it's not very crunchy, it's soft at the outside and mushy in the inside.
good. I mean, there is always something good about fresh food with good ingredients.
So we'll
So
try.
the ingredients are like, very good. Like you could understand from the hara bhara kebab that yeah, like it's pretty good ingredients.
I'm having a bite of fulka with paneer, and he's having fulka with veg kadai.
So let's go. Wow. I'm not a big veg guy, but this veg curry, this kadai that they made is pretty good.
So we are back again with some more food. So the food is not ending only, yeah. There's like unlimited food here. And after eating some 299 dosas, we're finally entering to the main course, which is some rice, rasam and curd. Because rice, rasam and curd is the best combination you can ever have. I've had this from my childhood days and this is my personal favorite. And on the other hand, I can, there's some veg pulao and then I obviously will take baby corn Manchurian again because it's crazy. And then we have some raita. So now let's taste each of them and let's see how good it is with some curd.
Okay.
Good. I think I will not prefer eating it only with rasam because that's a tradition.
Rasam is good. It has a nice puli to it.
It's a
They
soft.
put puli water into it. Yeah, that's how they make it. The rasam is perfect. I could drink this. Like, let's taste this pulao thing. I'm not a big fan of the pulao.
No?
Because I've eaten pulao from Mysore. It's like very different.
I think it's good. It's not good. It's not like that bad, but it's good. It is good.
Yeah.
Pairing it with some raita,
Yes,
it is
yes.
good.
I think it's supposed to be paired with raita.
But yeah, the food is great. It's the favorite part about my meal and
So,
I love the kheer. What is your views about the kheer? I think the kheer has sabudana. It's not big sabudanas, the small ones. And I don't know how can it be so creamy.
yeah, it's good.
It's in the perfect consistency. It's not very thin. It's not very thick. But it's like mouth-watering sweet.
It's good. It's not that sweet. So it's good.
Right.
Normally they put a lot of sweeteners, milk condensers. I like it.
I don't think the gulab jamun can beat it, but let's see. I think my top rate will go to kheer. I mean the kheer,
We call it the paisam. The paisam is good.
but they call it kheer. I mean in South India also, yeah, we call it paisam, like a sevaya paisam. I love the kheer. Wow.
Let's have more of it then.
What's your view about gulab jamun? I think it's a little more sweeter.
It's good, but
I found it to be little, too
it's very soft.
Oh yeah, it is like a spongy one.
Not
Soft
hard.
and not hard. But then because it's hot. Secondly, like I didn't find it to beat the kheer because it's not very well balanced in the flavors in terms of sweetness. I think the kheer is the best.
It is the best.
Watching my vlog, then do like, share, subscribe, and also comment down, because I really traveled 2 hours all the way to cover this place up. So you all could also understand and see how good it is, and then put an effort to come this far. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for all my further vlogs ahead. Thank you so much.